Unlike other Pares spots, this restaurant has been serving the quintessential Pares Retiro everyone's been talking about since 1989. Every corner of the metro has a place that claims they serve Pares Retiro. However, if you want to try the authentic version, head on to NS Zamorano Street in La Loma, Quezon City. Fun fact, years ago, Zamorano Street was actually called Retiro Street. That's why people started calling the dish Pares Retiro, because it was literally the Pares made in Retiro. Ordering food in this restaurant is pretty straightforward. Just call the order taker and say you'll have the Pares. You can also add sides, such as sayomai and sayapao. You also don't have to worry about ordering rice since Pares literally translates to pears in English, because the slow-cooked beef stew is always served with fried rice. You can also try their Chinese-style rice meals like garlic chicken, chop suey, and beef broccoli, or the noodle version of Pares called mami, which is a thinner soup base served with thick noodles instead of rice. The Pares Mami House still has a traditional carinderia setup, where the kitchen and order counter occupies the center and most significant area of the ground floor. You can find a spot to eat on the outer portion of the first floor, with additional seating on the second floor at select hours. One thing to note is how other customers might stand near your table while waiting. This is because the place is fast-paced, and it isn't considered rude to wait for other people to finish their meals so you can immediately sit down after them. Pares Retiro will always have a special place in the hearts of Filipinos from the metro because of its distinct taste and nostalgic elements. Next time you feel the temperature drop and the cold breeze touch your skin, think about the warm, savory, slightly sweet, garlicky flavors from the original Pares Mami House. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.